Welcome back to Mr. Lucky's Workshop. Today we're going to be making a bracelet out of paracord with this cool bronze wolf clasp. Got it online. I'll have the links down below. Thanks for watching. Thanks again for watching Mr. Lucky's Workshop. Bracelet pretty easy. Told you, nice, quick, easy one. It's a birthday present for my son. Happy birthday, Logan. Again, if you made it this far, thanks. It would be great. Go down, like, subscribe, hit the little bell. You'll get notified when I release new videos. And we'll see you next time on Mr. Lucky's Workshop.